Hoodlums in uniform, or the so-called scalawags, have been a huge stumbling block to the police force's efforts to gain the trust of the citizenry. That's why the president wants these undesirables to be made accountable for their actions, while assuring the continuation of the bloodless but effective drug campaign during the celebration of the 123rd Police Service anniversary. Patrick De Jesus has the full report.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. issued a warning against erring police officers. This statement was stressed by the Commander-in-Chief during his attendance of the 123rd Police Service Anniversary celebration at Camp Crame. The President asserted that corrupt police officers will be held accountable, especially as the public demands confidence in PNP officers and personnel performing their duties.
In carrying out this task, the police needs to be disciplined, transparent, and fair. Erring and corrupt police personnel will face the appropriate sanctions. Remember, your mandate and place in public safety and service is at the core of your duty.
The President also praised the measures taken by the PNP to maintain peace and order under the current leadership.
The PNP has intensified its patrol operations and increased police deployment, contributing to a notable drop in crime rates, particularly in what was formerly crime-prone areas. Under your leadership, the police has responded to nearly all, or to quote the actual number, 99% of the calls for police assistance.
According to the PNP, crimes have dropped by 14,000 from July 2023 to the present. The administration's fight against illegal drugs continues, and the President promised it will remain bloodless but effective.
Our battle against drug abuse transcends mere law enforcement. It fundamentally aims to uphold the very fabric of our society as we pursue our anti-illegal drug campaign targeting high-value individuals and identifying drug sources.
The President assured continued improvements in the PNP's capabilities under the Comprehensive Capability Enhancement Program. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.